In this video, you are going to see how to select and resize multiple images in Microsoft Word document. Here I have multiple images. If I click on the first image and hold down the Control key, but I can't select the second image. So we have to activate an option. Click on the image, click on this option, layout option, and choose the first option, square. Then click on the second image, go to over here, choose square. Click on the third image, go to over here, choose square. Click on the fourth image, go to over here and choose the square. Now click on the first image and hold down the Control key and select the second and the third and the fourth image. Go to picture format. From here you can increase its size, but you have to readjust the position like this. There is another way. Go to home, go to select, click on selection pane. Click on the picture 2, hold down the Control key and select picture 3, 4 and on. Now go to picture format, you can increase or decrease its size. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.